Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your most requested chance pick a card reading, friends. What good news is coming for you? Yes, many of you requested this reading. Here it is now, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot. Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram, friends. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. And this is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you watch it, it will help and resonate with your situation. Also, friends, make sure to check out your 2022 horoscopes readings. Yes, most of the signs have been done. Links will be in the timestamps. Also, you can watch your 2022 pick a card readings. Yes, more are coming. One has already been done, friends. More is coming. More 2022 readings are coming. Um, also, friends, you can buy your personal 2022 readings through the website. So make sure to buy and book yours now before at the end of the year there is too much of rush. So it is best to order now, friends, rather than at the last minute. So it's better to order now. So, how are you all, friends? I hope you are doing excellently. So, let's hop right into this reading. Let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number one. This beautiful Just Breathe card. It's such a beautiful card. I think it's one of my favorite cards. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Option number two, the Rebuild card. Option number three, the Trust card. So relax, friends, take a deep breath, choose option number one, option number two, option number three. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly go and skip there. Also, friends, you can choose more than one option. So let's see, and this is a charms reading, so we'll be pulling charms also. Well, let us see pile number one, who chose this beautiful Just Breathe. Let us see what good news is coming for you, friends. Next, number four, Just Breathe. I feel this is about meeting yourself. Meeting. I think the good news is you will be able to meet yourself in a new way. Look yourself. It feels like meeting a new you. That is what I'm feeling. That's the good news. Being comfortable in your body, in your life, in your image, whatever you are doing right now, you being comfortable or meeting yourself in a new way. So let's see more. Number four is also there, so that also says about structure, body, mind, and soul structure, harmony. So that's what it is about. Let's see. These are your tarot, these are your oracle and advice. We're going to look at them shortly, and then the charms. So let's see, friends, what's happening. Okay, of course, disharmony is here. Look at that, the Five of Wands. So definitely there is competition in your life, friends. Not just competition, I feel there is also a lot of conflict in your life right now. Or in the past, you have gone through a lot of challenging times, friends. And people have not really supported you, friends. I feel it feels like everybody has been against you, or somehow people have been against you, and you are tired of this. You are tired, like, why everyone is against you, why they keep conspiring against you, why at work nobody supports you, in love life why you are single, why there are people who are always against your love, relationships, choice of partners, why people are against you. So somewhere there is a lot of tension, there is a lot of competition around you, gossip also. I feel disharmony. This is mainly a card of disharmony, like there is no harmony, and this is exactly the card of harmony. So you have chosen a great pile, friends. Yes, I do see good news is coming your way, absolutely. And one of the things I'm feeling is also conflict with family. Some of you could be in conflict with family, or within yourself also you're a little confused, like what to do, what not to do. So there is a little bit of confusion, and some sort of a worry is going on, friends. Some of you could be students and you are tired of the competition, like how competitive things are. Like no matter how well you prepare, there is still competition, so you're disappointed with that, friends. Let's see what else. The King of Swords. Oh my God! So an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important for you. I feel, friends, the main thing that's gonna happen for you is that the good news that's coming your way is freedom, is a breakthrough. It is a very, very important breakthrough. There are people or situations in your life, friends, that are not doing you good right now, that are causing you tensions and worries, but you will definitely find some relief from them, some breakthrough from them, and you are going to rise above challenges. The current challenges which you are facing now or you have faced in the past, you are going to rise out of those challenges, and that will be a blessing for you. That is the good news coming for you. I do feel that some of you have been people pleasing. You have been trying to make peace or please people. Like you have been trying to harmonize a difficult situation, friends. But no longer you will be able to do that. I mean, like you will not be, you won't need to balance other situations or other people or negative people anymore, because you will be able to speak your truth, and people will respect you for that. People will support you for that. So respect, support, and a lot of power is coming your way, friends. King of Swords is power. It is the sword of truth. It is the sword of success and power coming for you. So that is a very, very powerful card, especially in the combination right here. It is a very powerful situation, and that's coming your way, friends. I do see a breakthrough. I do see a lot of you are leaving a lot of drama behind you, friends, and you will be moving forward to peace, to truth, and towards connections or people around you or situations around you which are peaceful and also truthful. Like right now there is competition, so you will be moving towards people and situations which are honest, which are more peaceful, more loving, more caring. Three of Wands, yes. I do see you're gonna be excited about your future. Some of you are really fed up with your future. You are like, nope, we don't see any hope there. I can guarantee you, friends, some sort of a hope is coming your way, and you will see a flicker of hope. Um, I know you want to see a lot more of hope. Like you are like, we need a lot of proof for hope. Like our life is gonna change. You want a lot of proof for that. I don't see a lot of proof coming your way, but I do see that some sort of a success will be coming your way. Some sort of a flicker of hope. Some sort of a new something will happen that will make you excited about the future, and that is what exactly will help you shift, and that is exactly the good news coming your way. Some excitement for your future, some future goals, some future investments will be paying off for you. If you invested money in the past, that will be also coming towards you now. Some past investments paying off now. I also feel long-term plans will be very successful for you. So if you are making any long-term plans, you will be extremely successful. And let us see what else. The Page of Pentacles, so Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important for you, friends. Somebody younger is important for you. Someone young, someone maybe they are your age, but they look younger, or they are quite inexperienced in some way, so that person will be important for you. So I do feel that for some of you in your career, there is going to be some new ideas coming your way, a new sense of understanding. You will be understanding your power, friends. You will be understanding that yes, you can stand up and speak your truth. You can be yourself. You don't have to people please anymore at your work, career, or business, and that will lead to a very powerful change for you, friends. I do see for some of you money is coming. Yes, I won't say you will have millions of dollars coming ahead. No, I mean yes, in the future, yes, but some sort of a opportunity for money to increase or double your money, or somehow you will have some money coming your way, maybe through inheritances, through legal issues. Some money which was actually destined for you in the past will come to you now, and that is an important good news coming for you. I also feel if you are a student, friends, and you are feeling not happy with yourself, not satisfied, you feel there is competition and you cannot win it by any way, please believe in yourself. I do feel you will find some power, some sort of a self belief in yourself, and I do see that some opportunity will come your way that will change your life, friends, and that will boost your confidence also. So it may not look like a very big opportunity, but please remember to accept it or to take it seriously, because it may be a, like, someone tells you, hey, can you write an essay for me? You may end up writing that, and it may become a viral thing. It may go viral, it may become very famous. So you may do something insignificant, but that is going to change your life and boost your finances and career and your self-esteem. So well done, friends. So a lot of good news, and definitely some excitement about your future. Ace of Wands. So definitely, friends, excitement is going to happen. A new sort of excitement is coming in your life. I do feel some of you are definitely not feeling very excited, very happy, or and not feeling happy about things in your life. But the main thing is you will find this excitement. You will find your mojo back, and that is the good news. I do see that for some of you, this change or good news may take a little while to come. Why? It may take 1 month to show up, or I do feel it may take 1 year to show up. I'm sorry for that, but that's how it feels. Not, it won't take like exactly 1 year, but you may in the next 1 month make any investment, or you may start something that will affect you for the next 1 year. So 1 month, 1 year is very important for you. I also feel that for some of you, there could be you could be attracting new job opportunities your way, new career ideas, new inspirations. For some of you in love, you are attracting a new passionate connection, a reunion with someone you were fighting. There was a conflict, there was fight. So now some of you will actually be able to reunite with this person. It could be a work colleague, it could be a boss, it could be a lover, it could be a twin flame. You are reuniting with them, and this time you both will be on the equal pages. It feels like there has been a lot of drama, there has been a lot of misunderstandings, competition, conflict, third parties, but now the time is for harmony. There will be a passionate reunion happening for some of you with a past person. This person could be anybody. It doesn't feel like romantic only, it feels like this could be a lover, this could be a boss, colleague, a best friend, a family member. You're going to reunite with them, or you will find closure with them, and that's very important. And I do see that something will start growing in your life. It could be a new connection, very passionate connection, someone from work, someone you study with. I do see that slowly, something new will start, but it will take some time. Even in love, some new connections are coming your way, and there is growth. There will be uh, attraction. There will be mutual attraction there, but it will be a slow burning kind of a relationship. It will take some time to start and build up. So keep your patience. The world, oh my god. So I do see a lot of changes coming your way, friends, ahead. Yes, you are ready for change big time. You're definitely ready for change, friends. You're ready for some sort of travel also in the future. Some of you could actually be relocating, shifting, relocating, moving to a new city or country. And I do see this will bring a lot of peace in your life. This change will bring a lot of peace. You may be divided or unsure whether to go for this or not, but yes, this change will bring a lot of success. It will bring a lot of peace in your life. I also feel that some of you may have to travel abroad, for work or for family reasons. You might have to travel abroad, shift, relocate for somebody, like, your family, your lover, your parents. You might have to relocate for them, but it will be something that will be a lucky move for you. So don't worry. Also, I feel for students, there is going to be some sort of a change coming your way. Like, some changes are coming your way, but they may look insignificant, but they are actually going to be very helpful and very prosperous changes for you. I feel also that something will come in, like some new job or some idea will come in, which may seem very insignificant to you, but it has the potential to change your life. So that is the good news coming your way. So please, take care and note down these small ideas, inspirations coming your way, friends. They are heaven sent. Six of Pentacles. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Money, money, money. Money is coming your way, friends. And look at that, 4, 5, and 6. So you're definitely progressing. So you're currently at this 5 stuck energy of competition, nervousness, anxiety. You're moving to 4, and eventually you will, like I told you, after 1 month, you will be in this 6 of Pentacles energy where you are reaping the rewards of whatever you have sown and worked upon. So well done, friends. Um, a lot of justice is coming your way, a lot of success will be coming your way. I do see anything you're working on right now and you feel stuck at, friends, you will definitely be prosperous in that venture ahead. So don't worry if you are feeling like there is no luck with you in your career or in your exams. Please keep working hard. You are going to reap success in it. In a few, it's just a matter of time. Success will happen for you. I also see that in the good news coming your way is rewards coming your way, some sort of a gift coming your way. We will see with the charms also, but I do see a gift is coming your way. In fact, for some of you it could be a pregnancy, a surprise pregnancy. So that could be a gift, especially if you are married. So yes, that can happen. And for others of you it might be a marriage proposal or a love proposal coming your way, and you are like, oh my God, I was not expecting that. So yoo-hoo, that's great energy. Let's see what else. Milestone. So you're definitely going to reach a milestone, friends, and that is a good news. Some sort of an award, some sort of a fame, recognition, and self-esteem. I do see your self-esteem is a little low right now, friends. I think all of us have been going through these issues of self-esteem, especially with the Scorpio energy. Like we are like, are we really what we are? Scorpio digs deep, into the darkness, and then it shows us what to clean and, lighten up those dark areas. So, yes, your self esteem is going to be boosted. You are definitely going to reach a milestone. Some of you could achieve something in the future, a career goal. You may start a business, a vocation. You are definitely going to attract fame and achievements, rewards in the future. Status quo, my God, I do feel that for some of you, right now you are people pleasing. I told you that, isn't it? You're people pleasing. So in the future you will not be, you won't have to do that. You will not have to please people just because you won't be doing things they are doing. You will be able to get free from people who are draining you, who are becoming a burden, and you will be following your own path. Like some of you want to do things which are different from others around you, and you are worried what will people say. In the future you will not be worried. You will actually be more happier doing things you want to do, and you will be happy actually, and more successful doing the things which you really really want to do. So I do see that a lot of prosperity will be coming your way by choosing your own path. So that is the good news coming. I feel you guys feel a little different, like you feel like you are different from the world and people around you don't really understand you. So please let me know in the comments, do you feel that way, that people around you don't understand you? Ask me, friends. I am a psychic intuitive medium, and people don't really kind of understand those kind of things. Also, I'm so blessed you guys understand that, so thank you so much. But it is not something that most people are, it's not a usual thing, right? So it happens. We all go through these things. So don't worry. Opportunity beckons. Look at that. This is so amazing. So whatever you want, friends, it is coming, and it is again a number 4. Yes, yes, yes. Something beautiful is coming your way, friends. You are going to be blessed, and some sort of a blessing is definitely coming your way, and it seems like a gift from the gods and the universe for you. I would suggest you only one thing: to keep your faith. because I see your faith is like a little shattered. You are like, I don't believe this will happen. It will. 4 4 4 4 4 is an angel number, so yes, it will happen. And look at that, number 7. Move. So I do feel, friends, some of you are definitely going to get married in the future. You may meet somebody very quickly and you may get married to them. Some of you may actually be shifting or relocating with a partner or for a partner or a relationship. I do see that your this is, you will be moving away from people who are draining you, and you will be attracting people who are more positive. So let's see your advice. Wandering path, enjoy the journey. Yeah, some of you are actually feeling a little lost. Like, what is happening? Where are we going? We don't know. But I think there is sometimes fun in getting lost. Sometimes, you don't. I think with all these maps and, gadgets we have today, we don't really ever get lost, like in a way, like like we don't know where we are going in life, yes, but on the way we don't. We always have these maps guiding us, geolocations and everything. How do you geo maps, geological maps are there, satellite maps are there. So there is sometimes, it is okay not to know the future. It is okay. You are doing well, you are doing excellently, friends, so do not worry. Enjoy the journey rather than the destination. That's what the advice is for you. Enjoy the journey rather than the destination. So we're gonna take a card now for you, and then we're gonna do the charms. Okay, so let's take some cards. Extra message from the universe card. What is the message for our viewers? Option 1. All right, everyone is doing their best. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow, this is a great this is a great reminder, friends. Maybe you are disappointed with people who are not understanding you. I think we all are trying our best, so everyone is doing their best, including you, friends, our viewers. You are doing amazingly. You are giving your best, so please do not be so hard on yourself. And let's see. There are really only two types of people: those you now love and those you will love in the future. Oh my god, this is beautiful, friends. So absolutely, I told you there is conflict around you, right? I told you you are having issues. People are having issues with you. Actually, you are not having issues with anybody. So until there is only one type of person, and then we will probably hit replay, the game of life, the universe. So there are only two types of people: those you now love and those you will love in the future. So wow, that's beautiful. That's a beautiful reminder. Everyone is doing their best. Let's see your charms now, friends. All right. Option number 1. What good news is coming their way? Let's take it, friends. Let's take it. Oh, wow. Nice. Let's just separate them a little and then... Wow, interestingly, there are no initials here. So, which is interesting because I feel the main good news that's coming your way is you, friends. You, our viewers, your self-belief, your self-love is going to shine. That's important, friends. The wedding bells, for some of you, wedding bells are going to happen. For others of you, some important messages are coming. Loyalty, yes. Good friends, good people are coming your way. You can attract them, you can manifest them. The locked heart, yeah. Someone really is a secret admirer is coming your way. Someone likes you, but they are not telling you. I also feel sometimes people hide their love and appreciation. So if there are people jealous or in competition with you, take it as a compliment. They secretly love you. They are not telling you. And look at that, the baby pram. Wow, this is a baby bicycle. So I do see that the baby pram is here. So you could be expecting a baby, childbirth, or you could be expecting a new sweetheart. This is also a charm of new love. The tree of life, yes. Your connection with family will improve. If you are feeling lonely, you will find new people. The star. Oh my god, this is a milestone charm. Oh my god, you have this. Look at that. The milestone. And this star rarely comes, friends. I have never seen this star come. This charm rarely comes out. You are so lucky you have this charm. Look at this. Can you see this? There is this star here. Oh, this is beautiful. So your stars are going to shine. You have nothing to worry. The heart. Yeah, I do feel, friends, some sort of a reunion will happen for you, or a new love is coming for you. So don't worry. And yes, growth. Let this also leaf is about letting go of things which are not important, as well as money. Money is coming your way. This is also a. I think this is a pound or a pence. Let me see. Actually, this this reminds me of foreign connections. So some of you could be actually, this is a pence. This is how much? 220 pence. Yeah, this is a 20 pence. So some of you could actually be, some of you could actually be moving abroad or somewhere else, or you are attracting from someone from who lives abroad. So that is the energy which I'm getting from this. And money coming your way. The heart, yes, I do see you're gonna feel very happy in your heart, peace in your heart, safe in your heart. And look at that, the crush energy. Someone is definitely, something will happen that will make you smile. And the number 28 is important for you, friends. So that's it for now, friends. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Make sure to like, share, subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot. Join us on Instagram. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye for now. So friends, if you chose option number 2, let us see what good news is coming your way, friends. If you chose this rebuilding card, number 16, wow, this is beautiful. I do see that some sort of a transformation, some sort of a healing energy, because the rebuilding is like healing, restructuring in your life. Heart healing also, look at that, there is this heart healing. So I do feel that some sort of a healing energy is coming your way. And actually this is the card of Tower. So some sort of a, it could be a change coming your way, because Tower is like a change also. So 16 is important for you, friends. Let's see, these are your tarot and these are your oracle. We're going to look at them shortly. So let us see your tarot cards, then we're going to look at your charms also. All right, friends. Yeah, the Tower makes sense now. The Three of Swords. All right, friends. Currently, you're feeling definitely sad. I feel. Have you been crying recently, friends? I feel you have been crying. Some of you have been really crying. Also, I feel you have been too strong since you are trying to be too strong for too long, and that's what is causing you a lot of problem. It is like you are hiding your pain. You are tired of something, but you are hiding it. You are, it is like it's raining, but you are trying to smile. That's how I feel. So some of you are hurt, some of you are definitely crying. Please let me know in the comments if this resonates with you. I'm sorry. I feel sad for you, friends. Why are you crying? That's not right. And some of you are tired of being too strong, friends. You actually are just fed up of these challenges, this heartache, this past energy, whatever it is. You're fed up of this, and you're trying. You have been too strong, friends, from such a long time, and it's like you don't have any option other than to just be strong. Like you wanna tell people how you are feeling, but it's like there is no other way option. There is no other way out. There is no other option. Oh God. So this is your current energy. Five of Swords. Yeah, I do feel that some of you are very upset because somebody ghosted you, somebody left you. I think it may have happened years back. It may have happened 3 years, 3 months, or maybe 5 years, 5 months back. Whenever it happened, you are still being affected by this issue. I also feel that it's not just about ghosting. It's not just about someone leaving you. Maybe something happened that you were not expecting to happen. Some sudden change, some sudden loss happened, loss of money, loss of a person, loss of a pet. You haven't recovered from it, friends. You are very I also feel you're fed up of selfish people. You feel like life, everyone is trying to, everyone is trying to win, and here you are, you're just like, what am I supposed to do? Somewhere you want to keep your, you want to keep this strength, and you want to leave that, and you just want to simply exist. You don't, it's like, how do I say this? Okay, it is like you're fighting a battle. You have been a warrior for so long that you just want to leave the war now, and you are like, I'm done with it. I'm done with fighting. I just don't want to fight anymore. So that is how I feel for you, friends. And definitely, there have been friends, family, lovers who have ghosted you, hurted you. Maybe you also faced some loss of money or some cheating from people around you, like someone cheated you on you with money or some other situation. I also feel you may have lost something also, friends, maybe a pet or a family member or something like that, and you're really hurt, like why it happened, why it happened. Let's see. So, what is the good news that's coming your way? Though the best good news that's coming your way, friends, is peace coming in your life. I do feel you will find some relief, some time for yourself, some time to just, relax, enjoy, and not just constantly work or just be a warrior. You will find some time off for yourself, and it's very, very vital for you, friends. It may seem like ordinary, like what is what just a holiday is coming. No, this is a time of peace. This is a time like where you can just focus on yourself, and you can, like, like leave these swords behind, these fights behind, and you are like chilling. So some of you are going to get some time for chilling, relaxing, enjoying, pampering yourself, and you will enjoy it, friends. And that's the best good news for you right now. I also feel that any losses you have had in the past, please do not worry, because this is only going to make any losses, any people who left your life will add to the peace in your life. Do not worry. Peace is coming, healing is coming. This is also a card of healing. So you are going to heal from the past losses, from the past issues, heartache, heartbreak, or monetary loss. You will heal, friends. You, in fact, you are already on that path of healing, so don't worry. King of Wands, yes, an Aries, Leo, Sag person, it will be important for you, friends. I do see that the good news that's coming your way is protection. I do see a lot of protection coming your way, protection for your ideas, your plans, protection for your life, like for your relationships, like you will be protected. I also see that if you are single, there is going to be a new person to mingle with, and this person is extremely protective of you. They will be very, very sweet and kind, and also they will be like, they will treat you very well, friends, and you will really like that, like how sweet and kind this person is, how nice they are, and how protective and pampering, how they want to spoil you, how they want to pamper you. That you will be very, that will attract you to them. I also feel that if right now you may be going through creative blocks, friends, like you are not feeling enthusiastic about anything in your life, your work, your career, you may be having creative blocks, or passion blocks, like you don't feel excited with anything. But that is gonna change, friends, and that's the good news coming your way. You are going to find some excitement, you are going to find some determination, and you are definitely also going to find freedom from the past losses, and you're gonna shine like this King of Wands or the Queen of Wands. You're gonna shine brightly, and you're gonna really believe in yourself. So that is a great thing. Let us see what else. The Four of Cups. Yeah, I do feel that some of you, you are very lucky, pile number two. I have to tell you this thing. Some of you are actually feeling, after you meet a new connection or a new person, you will feel like, no, that they are not the right person. You want more. You want more options in life, and that's exactly what is going to happen. I do feel, friends, you deserve to have more things in your life, more pampering, more love, because you have been through a lot, pile number two. So yes, I do see a choice of lovers coming your way. I also feel that some of you could be getting choice in work options, like job options. You will be having more job offers. I also see, if not job offers, it could be like you will have more support at your work and career, like your bosses. You may be having a change of boss, your bosses are changing, your HR team is changing, your management is changing, and the new people are coming that are coming in are very favorable of you for you. So yay, well done. I also feel, friends, that you may this the good luck, that's good news that's coming your way. It will come in very quietly and very sneakily in your life. You may be surprised when it happens, because you see your focus will be elsewhere, and then suddenly a new opportunity will be coming your way. So. Keep your eyes open, otherwise you may miss on this new person, this new opportunity coming your way. If you keep focusing on one direction, friends, you may miss out on certain good things which are coming your way. I also feel that some of you could actually, you should start dating, or check your social media sites, because there may be someone who is interested in you and you may not be aware of it. You may actually be missing it. So be careful, keep your eyes open. And look at that, the King of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is going to be important for you. Yes, I do see in love you guys are going to have some choice of lovers, and it will help you, because some of you may not find the first person is the right person, or this person. You need to be spoiled, and you will be spoiled, friends, by two lovers or two friends or two people coming into your life. If it comes to When it comes to work, I do see two opportunities coming your way. You could be attracting two opportunities, like two job offers, or maybe two friends who can help you set up your business or something, collaborations, new projects. So get ready for that. I also see a lot of money coming your way, friends. Like some of you, you are going to earn a lot of money from something you have already been working on, like a job, business profile. I mean, a project. If you're working on a project, you're definitely going to earn more clients, more business from that project. So expect a lot of money coming your way. In fact, a big money, a chunk of money coming your way. Uh, some of you could be actually getting more business, like a big deal is coming for your business, so get ready for that. It may come through a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. I also feel that for some of you, you're working very hard, friends. You're working very hard, so you need to take some time off, and it will happen in the future. You will get some holidays, or you will get a boss that will help you, and that will be more flexible, a boss or a job which is more flexible for your needs, so you will be able to rest also, relax also, and earn at the same time. So that will also happen. I also feel, friends, for some of you, you could be in third parties, friends. I feel that if you are in a third party and you are desperate and you're fed up, I do see a resolution happening, some sort of a relief coming, healing happening for you in your third party situation. Wheel of Fortune, oh my god, friends. So your luck is definitely going to improve, improve, improve. So do not worry, friends. I do see your luck improving. I do see that change in your life, a change in your fortune is going to happen. So yes, success is coming your way, friends. Do not lose hope. I also feel that some of you are asking the question, like, why things happened in your past, why something happened in that, why something happened like the way it did, why, what was the reason? Destiny. It was destiny. It will make sense to you, friends. Some sort of an answer is coming which will help you close a old wound, heal some past issues. So some sort of a closure or some sort of a news which will help you to heal and recover, that is coming your way. I also feel some of you are going to reconnect with your past lives, or you are going to reconnect with somebody from your past life connection. I do see you guys are going to become very spiritual, very, very strong leaders in your future. So keep working. If you are already working and you are not finding success, please do not give up. Keep working. I do see pile number 2, you guys have a strong connection with Egypt. I don't know why. You may travel there in the future. You may feel very connected with Egypt. or you may have, I do see you may be, meeting somebody from there, or there is, it is important for you, Egypt and your past lives spent there. I do see a lot of success coming your way, friends. I do see changes, big changes. Your life is going to change. Like, some of you would be leaving your jobs, going to new businesses. Some of you could be leaving your business and going into hobbies, arts, crafts, mediums. The sun, look at that. So I do see fame coming your way, friends. I do see sunshine coming your way. And I do see a holiday coming your way. Yes, yes, yes. So some of you are going for a holiday, and it will really change your life. It will boost your energy. You will feel extremely excited. And I also feel you could meet somebody by the stroke of luck. Meeting somebody, or meeting an opportunity quite by chance, quite by luck. So, friends, keep your intuition open and your third eye open, because some things will happen quick, like this snap, very quickly, and it will help you. But if you are looking at one side, or if you are focused on the past only or the pain only, you may miss out on them. So don't do that. Transformation. Oh my God. So big changes are coming your way, friends. Yes, I do see your life will improve. Your life will going to change in the future. Some of you could be actually become leaders in your field, in your career. Some of you in the future will become extremely famous. Fitness, you may also become, fitness enthusiast, yoga enthusiast, or something like that. Yes, you will change the world. You are going to become the world leaders also. And look at that great achievement. So wow, friends, you are definitely going to achieve something in your life that you don't see now. And any loss or anything that is happening right now, any change, is only preparing you for this great achievement that is coming your way. If you are asking for marriage, I do see two marriage proposals or partners coming your way. Change your focus. Number 5 of cups. Yes, friends, I do feel that if you are too focused on the negative, please do not do that, because you may miss out on this good energy. Some things have to happen, that is why they have happened. So try to stay positive, friends. I know you are trying, but try to stay positive, because good things are coming your way. Good news and good things, good fortune. It's not just good, it's great fortune. So please make full use of it. Blossom. Number 20. You are going to go after your dreams, friends. And the efforts you take will bring you a lot of rewards and a lot of success. So keep working. Let's see your advice, then we're going to look at your charms. Fogged in, go slow, take your time. Yes. You are working, you are going through tough times, friends. You are working a lot, you are stressed out a lot, and you need a vacation. You need some time off for yourself. So it is time, take, if you can, take a holiday. Also, leave the stress. You do something, change your routine, it will help you. Go slow, take time. Also, I feel like some of you want to take a holiday, but you cannot because of your work is too stressful. Like, you are a doctor, you are someone who is a cop, or you are at a place where they are not letting you they are not allowing you for a leave or a break. Like, you are a student and you always have to study, you cannot have a break. But a little break will do you lots of good. It will bring you back into, business. It will bring you to sunshine. So go for it, friends. Take some holiday. Take some me time. So let's see some extra cards for you, friends, and then we are going to see the charts. Option number 2. All right, we got it. Oh, you got 2 cards. Let's see. Earlier disappointments were just a rehearsal for the great stuff coming your way. So look at that, friends. This is a proof. The earlier disappointments were only a rehearsal for the great stuff and great shift that's coming for you, friends. And see me in their eyes. Oh my God, friends. I do feel that, yes, angels want you to see, see the good in people, see the good in the situation, focus on the good things. Never regret love, no matter how blind it improved your vision, no matter how foolish it made you wiser, and no matter how generous it made you more. The universe, wow. So do not worry. If somebody has left you, do not worry. You will have more better options coming for you, and also more better opportunities. If you lost an exam or something and you didn't clear it, it's all right. It was just a rehearsal for the great stuff. All great people become great because they faced and stood up in times of challenges. It's not that they didn't face any challenge, it is that they kind of stood up at the time of challenges. See me in their eyes, beautiful. Whenever conferring with the another, either face to face or with across the miles, whether a human being departed, whether a human being or a departed spirit or a sentient tree, always speak to them, to the highest within them. It makes such a difference. So, try to see the good in people. I know it's tough. I know it really feels so stupid to be kind in this world, friends. I know how you feel, especially in the current times. But remember to see the good in the situation. Please, because that is what will lead you to this fortune. There is a hidden treasure around you, friends, and the universe is leading you to it. And the only thing that is your roadmap is to see things in a positive way. Let's see your charms. Option number 2. What is the good news coming your way? Okay, you have a lot of initials, so a lot of people will be important. Okay, let me just separate the charms so we can then look at them more quickly. So I see the name Das, somebody named Das, sad, yeah, so you guys are feeling sad. Someone is also missing you. Someone is feeling sad, friends. Veer, someone's name could be Veer, Ved, Dav could be a name for somebody. Save also, SAVE, save, yeah. You need to save some money, friends. And Dio, Doi could be a name. Doa could be a name. So SADVEE and O, these are the initials which are important for you. Number 20 is important. The red car, keep your passionate, stay passionate, but learn to also relax. Also the dog, loyalty, loyal people are coming towards you. The turtle takes slow time. Go. You don't always have to rush, friends. Take your time. Don't rush. Take your time. Settle down. Relax. The weed. This is about you will get very. An intoxicating connection is coming your way, or you may find a hobby that will excite you, that will change your life. Some sort of an excitement is coming. Peacock, yes, I do see fame is coming your way, and a lot of attention from people is coming your way in the future. Look at that, the hand of destiny, the hand of fate. My God, you guys are so lucky. This chance comes out ever so rarely. I think this may have come in all these years of the readings only twice, and this might be the second time. The hand of destiny. Yes, destiny has big plans for you, friends. Please keep shining. Do not lose hope. Also, the weed could be, some of you could be into addictions, maybe substances, coffee, food, smoking, and all those. Please do not do them. Please, friends, they are not good for your health. Also, if you are trying to quit, you will find some support. The heart, yes, your heart is healing. Don't worry. Messages, important news is coming. Important signs are also coming. Made with love, yeah, I do feel someone, you will find people who are in love with you, some secret admirers or new lovers coming your way. The lantern, yes, friends, you are going to light up other people's life. You are definitely going to become a leader. The wedding ring, so yes, marriage, some of you could be getting married in the future. There is this leaf. I do see, step by step, one by one, you will reach your goal. So do not quit. And again, look at that. You have two angel feathers. So you are attracting a very, very important connection or two important people in your life. The moon bead, mood swings. Pile number two, are you going through mood swings? Let me know in the comment section. Yes, I do feel you are going through mood swings and they are healing. They will heal, they will get easy, it will get easy. So stick there, don't give up. Butterfly, changes are coming, positive changes. And look at that, the mama elephant and the baby elephant. So family or better relationships with your mother are going to happen. And oh my god, there is another wedding ring. So there are, oh my god, friends, oh my god, I didn't even saw it till now. There are two wedding rings. So definitely two marriage proposals are coming your way. Some of you may have been through a divorce, but again, you will have a chance of love. And look at that, there are two turtles here. Yes. So you are attracting somebody who is exactly like you. Blue, bring some peace, bring some peace into your life. Eagle, see the bigger picture. Do not get too caught up. September is important. It will change your life, maybe by next September, or somebody born in September. Queen of coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. And July is also important. So that's it for now, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So friends, if you chose option number 3, let us see what good news is coming your way. Let's see that. This is a charms reading. If you chose this beautiful trust card, I feel something new is beginning for you, like something is in the process of manifesting for you, because this is the number 0. And 0 is like something is about to happen. It hasn't yet happened. So trust your path, trust in the higher universe. So trust, and let us see, these are your oracle messages and advice. We're going to look at your charms also shortly. First, let's see your tarot. All right. So friends, right now you're not feeling very happy with the way things are going in your life. Some of you are feeling actually disappointed. I feel you have been trying to achieve something, but you haven't been lucky in achieving that. Like maybe you are trying to achieve a goal or clear an exam, or maybe you are trying to, learn something, but you're not getting like the success you want, or the kind of achievement you wanted, like the level you wanted, you are not reaching there. So you feel a little stuck, you feel a little disappointed right now. Some of you are also unhappy that life didn't go as you planned, or life isn't going as you planned right now. So you're a little unhappy, friends. I do see you are looking at what went wrong in the situation, why you couldn't clear an exam, why something was not meant for you, why somebody left you, or why, why things are not going as planned for you. That is your main problem. Like, when will things get better? I think things are not as bad as you feel right now, friends. Actually, the situation you are in may look a little, it is appearing difficult, but it is not as bad as you believe it is. So please try to keep some faith. That is what I see. 5 is also the number of changes, and so definitely some sort of a positive change or relief is coming. I see faith is coming towards you, friends, because right now what you need is a little bit of faith that yes, you can do it, or things will get better. All is not lost, so you need faith, and it's coming. Absolutely, it's coming your way. 7 of Wands. Yes, friends, you want to give up on something, but it is not the time to give up on something, friends. You are very, very close to achieving a goal. I know it is that darkest, before the dawn. That is the period you are going through. There is a lot of challenge. I don't know why so much dust is coming. I mean, the years are getting really confusing. The weather, it's cold right now, and still there is dust. I'm not sure why, but look at this. It's all dusty here. And even though the windows, everything is closed. God only knows what's happening. All right. So, friends, you are facing challenges, and this is not a time to give up, because you are very, very close to achieving your goal. And this is the time when, yes, the going is getting tough, and only you need to be tougher now, right now, friends. The more tough you are, the more strong your willpower is, the higher your success will be. And yes, you will be successful, so do not give up. This is not a time to give up. This is also not a time to let go of anything. If you are manifesting something, so don't give up. If you are trying to quit something, do not, because you are going to be successful. Also, friends, the good news that's coming your way is some of you are facing a lot of opposition. There is a lot of opposition from people around you, from family, from friends. It is like whatever you want, people start opposing you, and that has become a lot of problem. So stand up and defend yourself, because you need to do that. This is a time for standing up for your dreams. This is a time to going after your dreams and uh, dreams and desires. This is not a time to quit, or this is not a time to people please. No, this is a time to stand up for yourself, and if you are doing that, well done. And yes, this is a tough time for you. Yes, this might, but it is not as bad as it looks, friends. It is about to get easy for you. Please believe. The Hermit. Yes, friends, the good news that's coming your way is that some of you are going to achieve a mastery, and mastery in a sense, like you are going to excel at something that you are currently not able to succeed at. You are also going to find a lot of answers that you were looking for. Something has been hidden from you will be revealed to you, and it is going to change your life. You will be like, oh my god, why was I crying? I should, if I knew this now, I would not have cried. So something is going to be revealed to you, something is going to be shown to you, and this is the time not to quit, because that is, if you do not quit, then only these answers, this light, this revelation will happen for you. So do not give up. Also, some of you are working. I feel like some of you need to work alone a little on your dreams, your desires. Like work quietly on your dreams and aspirations. Don't try to involve too many people or socialize too much about your life, because I feel that is where the key is. This opposition is coming because you are different, or you are putting a lot of your ideas, plans on social media. So it is attracting a lot of negativity towards your way. So try to keep a low profile. It is going to really help you, because it is where it is going to change your life. The less you share right now, the more your success will be in the future. Also, if you are a student and you are applying for any exams or something, please keep studying, because you will master whatever your subject is. You are disappointed, like things didn't go your way, your exams didn't clear in the past attempt, but they will now. So please keep working hard and do not give up. The Four of Wands, yes, marriage is coming, friends. So the good news is wedding bells. Some of you are definitely going to get married. Some of you are going to settle down. Also, some of you are going to actually find a life partner, or reunite with a past person. So yes, it is going to happen. I also feel somebody who lost you in the past, like a crush or somebody who has not been in touch with you, they are going to call you, and it will be a very happy time with them. So yes, I see weddings, I see celebrations, I see happiness coming your way, friends. And yes, I do see a lot of love coming your way. You definitely need some love, friends, because you seem disappointed in love. But do not worry, love is coming your way. For some of you, I see a wedding. Yes, I do see you may meet a new person, or you may meet a marriage proposal, and chances of marriage will happen. Also, you could be going for love marriage, but there is a lot of opposition right now. The good news is the opposition will get less, and you will have solutions to get married. You know how you can get married to your lover, so that will happen for you. Do not worry. Another thing is, some of you could be moving into a new house. You are buying a new house, a new property, or you are living, going back to your parents, living with your parents, grandparents, taking care of them. Yes, you will. And you will actually enjoy this, this change of property, or this change of living with your grandparents. You will really enjoy it. You will learn so much from that. The Chariot. Movement is coming, friends. Movement is coming. Some of you are really frustrated while life is stuck, life is not changing for you. It will change, friends. Sometimes things do not happen for years, but then everything happens all at once, like the year 2020, like now also. things happen, things are happening too quickly nowadays, and earlier nothing was happening. So that is how your life will be. Things will happen quickly. I do see a travel, I do see shift coming, I do see movement coming in your life, in your work, in your career, in your relationships, all areas of your life. So don't worry. I also see that your faith will be restored. That's the good news coming your way. Faith restored. I also see a position of power coming your way. Like some of you could be getting a promotion, or some of you could be getting extra payments or extra perks, a higher raise or something. I do see some of you will be buying a new car. Yes, and you are going to be lucky. Yes, so some of you could be buying a new car, a new mobile phone also. So, yes, transformation. Yes, friends, I do feel that there will be certain changes coming your way, and they are blessed and heaven sent. So, some endings will happen, but it will only lead to boost your future. It will lead you to marriage, it will lead you to career success. So, endings which are happening are only powerful new beginnings for you. I also feel that some of you are going to change the way you look, and you will be absolutely happy. Like some of you will stop coloring your hairs because you want to accept and embrace yourself, your natural self. Some of you will also change the way you dress. You will I feel like changing the way you look and becoming more holistic, becoming more, how do I say, natural, becoming more. Vegan, or something, becoming natural, becoming yourself, accepting yourself. And that's what you're gonna do, friends. And some changes are going to happen, but they will all be positive changes. So do not worry. I also feel peace is coming in your life, friends. A lot of peace is coming, happiness is coming, and that's the good news. The Hierophant, yes, you are going to reach to a position of power, friends. Right now, if you're feeling stuck, please do not worry. Keep at your job, keep at your life purpose, because you are going to win and reach to the topmost. I also feel some of you are going to get, go back to colleges, and that's the good news. Like some of you will get, go back to colleges for learning, for maybe teaching purposes. So well done, congratulations. Um, Another thing is, some of you are also having a tough time with family or in laws, father in law, mother in laws, or even bosses, authority. You are having a tough time with authority. So, I do see that in the future this will change. The authority people like father in laws, mother in laws, everyone will respect you. So, do not worry. People are going to look at you with respect and with like, yes, you are one of them, you are also a leader. So people's perception about you are going to change. The star, oh my god, your creativity is going to be super super high, friends. Your creativity will be super high, and your creative blocks will be removed. Some of you will be actually getting onto social media, becoming very popular, or doing something creative like an artist. You might connect with arts, music in the future, and it will really be a very lucky time for you. I also feel if you are having blocks in manifestations, those will be removed. So, yes, you are going to be very, very lucky, friends. And the star is also about fame. So, fame is coming, a answered prayer is going to happen. And the Ten of Pentacles, yes, so money is coming your way, friends. A lot of money is coming, money from inheritances, money from family, and like your money is going to be secure, like your roots are going to be secure. So you will feel a sense of peace, a sense of like, yes, you belong to this place. Also, some of you could be going back to your villages, going back to your homes, like hometowns. You're connecting with the roots, with your roots, and this will help you, friends, in feeling stable, feeling secure. Optimism, yes, friends, optimism is coming your way. Excitement for your future, and looking forward to your future. That is the good news coming your way. And happy success, yes, friends, you are going to be successful. And all these blocks are only temporary. And I do see a lot of success and changes coming your way. So please embrace whatever is happening now. This is the darkest it can get, but it is going to get brighter for you. Control, I see 8. It is the strength card. So, yes, your relationships, how strong they are, it will be revealed to you, friends. Your relationships are very strong. Also, you are going to reach a level of power in your work career, and also your health, your fitness levels will improve, so you are going to feel very powerful, friends. Strengthening bonds, ace of wands. Yes, I do feel excitement is going to come back in your life, excitement in your relationships, passionate new beginnings. Passion is coming back in your relationships, be it personal, be it professional. So woohoo. And let us see what else. I also feel some of you could be actually getting married, and it will be a very passionate, with a very passionate and very sexually attractive person you're gonna get married to or settle down with. So yeah, that's also going to happen soon. Let's see some advice for you. Overcoming obstacles, you can overcome anything. Oh friends, yes, I told you, this is the worst it can get, it will not get any more worse, and you are going to overcome anything, friends. Please, you are very powerful, believe in yourself. So let's see some extra cards for you. Okay, three came out. Let's see. Your treasure is at hand. So yes, friends, you're going to achieve whatever you want to achieve. Do not lose hope. Sure, you can always find prettier, handsome, skinner, wiser, richer, younger, and zippier, but more often than not, one learns the most, laughs the loudest, and smiles the widest with those you have already found, especially when they stop looking elsewhere. Oh my god, so you may have already found something, somebody to treasure, somebody to love, or when you stop looking, you're absolutely going to find your dreams. So stop searching, friends, stop seeking. Some of you are finding endlessly. Maybe you are going to a lot of tarot readings and you feel disconnected with them, you feel unhappy, dissatisfied. Friends, I know this culture of YouTube is very nice that we have to do everyday readings. Maybe some people are doing 10, 20 times a day readings like posting 20 times a day readings. You may also be doing these 20, 30 times. You are seeing a lot of readings, but it leads to readings are not to be done this way, friends. Even I do it, but I try to give them a gap, like maybe 2 3 days a gap of that, because and we need to let the energy shift. you know Sometimes the energy shifts within a day, many times, but mostly they don't, so we need to give a time to it, energetically. So something is coming your way, friends, and when you stop searching or looking outside for solutions, that is when you will find your treasure. Look at that. Sometimes the good is hidden. Yes, exactly what I'm telling you. This is what I was telling you. You're searching for something. This is the darkest it can get, and you are going to figure out what is the solution for it. Find the good in what they said or asked. It is always there, even if they didn't mean it for it to be there. The universe. Clues for what you want are hidden all around you. So everything is hidden around you, but oops, wow. That was a jump that this card made. So something is hidden, friends. And sometimes you have to dig deeper to find a meaning or find the truth or to find the good, but you will find it. Convince yourself, not others. Okay. So it is time to it is time to focus on yourself rather than others. The need to clarify, explain, or justify oneself in personal relationships is always self serving. What is important is knowing the truth about why you felt the need, because it often points to insecurities that could be dealt with in more effective ways. So if you're trying to justify or explain yourself, I think they are saying you don't need to right now. You are doing very well as such. So do not worry about others. So let's see some charms. Oh, you have a lot of charms. Let's see. Let me just separate them. So, phone, yeah, somebody may be calling you by phone very quickly. I feel some important messages will be coming, or an important phone call will be coming. So, phone is important. Vanny, names like Fanny, or I don't know what names you can make out of these, but yeah, these names are important. Phone, and V is there. Also, one, the one is coming your way, the one that is for you, the treasured one that is coming your way. Number 19 is important. Ship, yeah, you could be dealing with a person who travels a lot. You could be dealing with somebody who lives near a shore. Also, traveling is important. Again, there is also an aeroplane, so some of you could be actually flying to some locations, or someone could be flying towards you. I also feel flying could also be you are buying some new cars, or some, maybe some of you can buy a jet plane. I don't know, you guys are rich, I know that. That's my prayer actually for you, that you can afford this beautiful jet. If you wanna, may whatever you want to achieve, friends, you achieve that. That's my prayer always. So yes, some of you could be buying a new automobile, car, or something like that. The umbrella, you are extremely protected, do not doubt that ever. The dragonfly, positive changes are coming, and look at that, the leaf. Keep Do not lose your faith. This is about losing faith. Do not lose faith. The secret, the locked heart, someone has deep feelings for you and they are not telling you that. The child, the clown, the child, yeah, make your inner child happy, friends, work on it. Also, recapture, be a child, see things as a child, be that will help you to feel excited. Focus on your creativity, do not ignore your creativity, friends, do not ignore things you love. Loyal people are coming. The crush, happiness is coming. I do see something will happen that will make you smile. Eagle, take a higher perspective. January, someone born in January is important. Four of Wands, marriage is important. Here is Four of Wands, look at that. So, marriage is important. Seven of Cups, marriage or commitment is important. Seven of Cups, yes, you have to make certain decisions, friends. And I think the best decision you can make right now is to not give up. Mouse, you are powerful, feeling curious, being curious, stay curious about life. Seer, hermit, the energy of seer, yes, you are going to find spiritual help or a spiritual mentor. And whatever you're searching for, you're going to find that out. Two of Wands, success is coming, balance is coming. Cat, take care of yourself, look after your body. King of Wands, Aries, Leo, such person is important, friends. And that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wands Tarot, like, share, join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye-bye.